श्रीमान् वेङ्कटनाथार्य कवितार्के केसरी वेदान्ताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्तां सदा हृदि ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवोपास्महे ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवोपास्महे विशुद्धविज्ञानघनस्वरूपं विज्ञानविश्राणबद्धदीक्षम् दयानिधिं देहभृतां शरण्यं देवं हयग्रीवां प्रपद्ये दिशन्तु मे देव सदा त्वदीया दयारङ्गाणुराकटाक्षाः रुद्रेषु पुंसामूर्तं शरन्तीं सरस्वतीं संस्कृतकामधेनुं विशेषवित्पार्षदेषुनाथ विदग्धगोष्ठीसमराङ्गनेषु जिगीषतो मे कवितार्केन्द्राकृसिंहाद्रमभिवेयाः व्याख्यामुद्रां करसरसिजे पुस्तकं शङ्खचक्रे बिभ्रद्भिन्नस्फटिकरुचिरे पुण्डरीकेण षण्णः अम्लानश्चैरमृतविशदैरंशविप्लावयन् माम् आविर्भूयादनघमहिमा मानसे वागधीशः। இது பசங்க யாருன்னா சொல்லட்டோனே இந்த சப்தரூபம் பால சப்தரூபம் ராம சப்தரூபம்
அடியன் சொல்
अडियन् अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः बालशब्दः बालः बाल बालाः बालं बालै बालौ बालान् बालेन बालाभ्यां बालैः बालाय बालाभ्यं बालेभ्यः बालयात् बालात् बाल्यां बालेभ्यः बालस्य बालयोः बालानां बाले बालयो बालेषु हे बाले हे बालौ हे बाला।
अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः बालशब्दः बालः बालौ बालाः बालं बालौ बालान् बालेन बालाभ्यां बालैः बालाय बालाभ्यां बालेभ्यः बालात् बालाभ्यां बालेभ्यः बालस्य बालयोः बालानां बाले बालयोः बालेषु हे बाल हे बालौ हे बालाः।
वेरी गुड। नेक्स्ट राम शब्द रूपम
अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः राम शब्दः रामः रामौ रामाः रामं रामौ रामान् रामेण रामाभ्यां रामैः रामाय रामाभ्यां रामैः रामात् रामाभ्यां रामेभ्यः रामस्य रामयोः रामाणां रामे रामयोः रामेषु हे राम हे रामौ हे रामाः। अडियन् धन्योऽस्मि।
अडियन् रामः अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः रामशब्दः रामः रामौ रामाः रामं रामौ रामान् रामेण रामाभ्यां रामैः रामाय रामाभ्यां रामेभ्यः रामात् रामाभ्यां रामेभ्यः रामस्य रामयोः रामाणां रामे रामयोः रामेषु हे राम हे रामौ हे रामाः। अडियन् धन्यवादः।
अडियन् அடுத்து ஸ்ரீலிங்கம்
अडियन्
अकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः स्त्रीलिङ्गः रमाशब्दः रमा रमे रमाः रमां रमे रमाः रमया रमाभ्यां रमे रमाभ्यः रमायोः रमयोः रमाभ्यां रमाभ्यः रमायाः रमाभ्यां रमाभ्यः रमायाः रमायोः रमानां रमायां रमयोः रमाशु हे रमे हे रमाः
रमा रमे रमाः रमां रमे रमाः रमया रमाभ्यां रमाभिः रमायै रमाभ्यां रमाभ्यः रमया रमयोः रमानां रमयां रमयोः रमासु हे रमे हे रमाः
அடுத்து யார் நான் நெக்ஸ்ட் பாலா சப்தரூபம்
अडियन சொல்லிட்டு अडियन बाला अकारान्तः स्त्रीलिंगः बाल शब्दः
बाला शब्दः excuse me बाला शब्दः it's not बाला शब्दः
ओके अडियन बाला बाले बालाः बालां बाले बालाः बालाया बालाभ्यां बालाभ्यः बालायै बालाभ्यां बाल्याभ्यः बालाया बालाभ्यां बालाभ्यः बालाया बालयोः बालानां बालायां बालयोः बालासु हे बाले हे बाला Yes, again. बाला बाले बालाः बाले बालाः बालयो बालाभ्यः बालाभिः बालाये बालाभ्यः बालाभ्यः बालायाः बालयोः बालानां बालायां बालयोः
ஓகே அடியன் இது பண்ணலையா இன்னும் நபும்சகலிங்கம் பண்ணல இல்லையா
இல்ல பண்ணல சுவாமி
அடியன் இன்னைக்கு நபும்சகலிங்க சப்த ரூபம் பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுங்க Now we are going to practice Napumsakalinga Shabda. We have done Akaranta Pullinga Shabda, Akaranta Strilinga Shabda. Now Akaranta Napumsakalinga. Akaranta Napumsakalinga. Let me read. It is just like Pullinga Shabdarupam only. Okay, but first two vibhaktis will be different. Okay. Tritiya Bhakti onwards. Okay. See, first two vibhakti, Prathama and Dvitiya, will be different from Pullinga, whereas Tritiya to Saptami, it is just like Pullinga Shabdarupam only. So, Napumsakalinga Shabdarupam normally has only Prathama and Dvitiya. Even if you see any Shabdarup books, it will be written only these two vibhaktis, rest will not be given. But here we have given fully, because the students are going to study, small students are going to study, so it is given fully. Okay, now let me read. You all will repeat after me, but you will not unmute. Akarantaha pullingaha kamala shabdaha kamalam kamale kamalani. Ditya Bhakti also same. Okay, in Napumsakalinga, all Napumsakala Shabdarupam. Okay, the words in Prathama Bhakti and Ditya Bhakti are same. Now I am going to read Ditya Bhakti. Kamalam, Kamale, Kamalani. Repeat. Tritiya Bhakti. Kamalena, Kamalabhyam, Kamalaihi. Kamalaya, Kamalabhyam, Kamalebhyah. Kamalate, Kamalabhyam, Kamalebhyah. Kamalasya, Kamalayoho, Kamalanam. Kamale, Kamalayoho, Kamaleshu. He Kamala, He Kamale, He Kamalani. Okay, let me read again. All will repeat. Yeah. Akarantaha. See, it is again Akarantaha. Akarantaha Napumsakalingaha Kamala Shabdaha. Kamalam, Kamale, Kamalani. Kamalam, Kamale, Kamalani. Kamalena, Kamalabhyam, Kamalaihi. Kamalaya, Kamalabhyam, Kamalebhyah. Kamalat, Kamalabhyam, Kamalebhyah. Kamalasya, Kamalayoho, Kamalanam. Kamale, Kamalayoho, Kamaleshu. He Kamala, He Kamale, He Kamalani. Okay. We'll practice. Next, we go to next one is lesson. We'll go to the lesson, but before that, future tense, right? We started future tense. Okay. This one we have done, right? These words we have read. We stopped here. We have to go to the lesson. Shashtaha Pathaha Bhavishyat Kalaha. Okay? Shashtaha Pathaha Bhavishyat Kalaha. Remember, with this, the very basic formation of Sanskrit sentences are getting completed. Remember, that is the sentence which contains noun and the verb with indeclinables and small words, okay, a few words. This is very basic. So after that we will go to the next level in the basic. Okay, we can divide the basic into two slots. The basic slot is the noun and the verb. Okay, in Tamil what we say, avan padikkiran, then we change to aval padikkiral. Adu padikkirathu, adu odigirathu. Then nee padikkirai, neengal padikkirirgal. Avargal padikkirargal. Naan padikkiren, naangal padikkirom. See how it is changing? Like that we have done. So far all the lessons we have practiced third person singular, third person plural, second person singular, second person plural, first person singular and first person plural. Now we are moving on to future tense in the verbs. Even here also the usage of noun is similar to present tense. The difference in present tense and future tense is ishya in the middle of the verb that we are going to practice in this lesson. Okay. After that, as I told, we will converse. Okay. For 2-3 classes we will converse and we will go to the vibhaktis. Vibhaktis are second stage of basic Sanskrit. Okay. That is very, very important to understand Sanskrit. Even you go to any text, any book from Stotra Patam or Sampradayam or anything, that portion is very, very important to understand Sanskrit. Okay, because of vibhakti. Right? Yeah, that is very important. Now, even you learn Bhagavad Gita or any kind of shlokas, that second portion, what we are going to start next, is very, very important to understand Sanskrit. Okay. Now we go to the sentences. Let me read first. Okay. Let me read first. After that you will read. Okay. I will read 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sentences. Okay. I will read. You all will repeat. I will explain the meaning. Then you will read. Okay. Let me read. Balakaha atra Sanskritam pathati. Please repeat. Saha shvaha api patham patishyati. Okay. Pathati, patishyati. See the difference. Chhatraha tatra dhavanti. Chhatraha tatra dhavishyanti. Hiranaha ghasam khadati. Hiranaha ghasam khadishyati. Tvam api bhojanam khadasi. Tvam api bhojanam khadishyasi. Okay, let me read with meaning. Balakaha atra Sanskritam pathati. Balakaha atra Sanskritam pathati. What's the meaning? Balakaha, a boy. Atra, here. Atra is indeclinable. Please mute yourself. Balakaha, a boy. Atra, here. Sanskritam, Sanskrit language. Sanskritam pathati. A boy reads. What we should do always? First is because we are learning through Sanskritam. Through English. So what we should do? First noun, then we have to go to the verb. But whereas in Indian style is a boy, balakaha, oru siruvan, atra, inge, samskritam, samskritattai, pathati, padikkiran. See, the structure is, all Indian language structures are similar. Okay, but we learn through English. So what we should do? First is noun, then we have to go to verb, then come back. Okay, then you come from right to left. Balakaha, a boy. Pathati, reads. Samskritam, Sanskrit language. Atra, here. Okay, here a boy reads Sanskritam. Okay, you all should note down. Yeah, some of you simply escape. Okay, you should not do like that. Okay, yeah, it's not good when we call students and we give time to the students and you say, Swami, I did not mark it. Swami, you should not say. Okay, it's not good for students. So note down. Balakaha atra samskritam pathati. Hope you all have writing object with you. Okay, yeah. Now let me type for you, if you don't mind. A boy reads Sanskrit here. Next. Saha shvaha api. Shvaha means what? Tomorrow. Shvaha means tomorrow. Tomorrow. Shvaha means tomorrow. He, saha, he, shvaha api, tomorrow also. Okay, tomorrow also he patham, a lesson. Patishyati, ishya is there, so will. Okay, in English you have to add will read. He will read a lesson tomorrow also, or also tomorrow. Okay, your wish. As you want, you can make the sentence. Okay, now we move on to next. So tomorrow also he will read a lesson. That's the meaning. Chhatraha tatra dhavanti. Students, singular or plural? Chhatraha, chhatrau, chhatraha. Okay, there is a way. Dhavanti becomes dhavati, dhavataha, dhavanti. Okay, you also should tell along with me. Then only you will get. I am not learning, I am teaching you. Say along with me. Chhatraha, chhatrau, chhatraha. Say. Then dhavati, dhavataha, dhavanti. Next line. Students run there. Students run there. Okay. Next. Chhatraha tatra dhavishyanti. Chhatraha tatra dhavishyanti. What's the meaning of dhavishyanti? Ishya, dhavanti, dhavishyanti. What's the difference? Will run. Future tense. Okay. Students will run there. Students will run there. Next. Hiranaha ghasam khadati. Hiranaha. What is hiranaha? Deer. Deer eats ghasam, grass. Deer eats grass. Okay. Hiranaha ghasam khadishyati. Okay. Deer, sorry, will eat what? Grass. Okay. To eat grass. Next. Tvam api bhojanam khadasi. Tvam api. You also. Api. What is api? Api means also. What's the meaning of api? Yeah, this is indeclinable. Okay. You should say, sir, this is indeclinable. Swami, this is indeclinable. Okay. Also. Api means also. Okay. Tvam api. You also. What you also? Eat. Eat food. You also eat food. Okay. Now, same in future tense. You also will eat. You also will eat food. So what is the difference here? What's the difference here? Khadishyasi. Vishya. Vishya is understood here. Okay. Vishya. Vishya is, see? So Vishya. That makes the difference. Vishya means will. Okay. Okay. Will. Let me read now. Hope you have understood. Okay, and you have copied also. Yeah. Don't take simply snap and leave it. Okay, it will be there in the store. But it has to go to the mind. Now there is a Sanskrit shloka. Pustakasthatya vidya parahasta gatam dhanam karyakale samayate nasa vidya natad dhanam. Where is the Shabdarogam? Shabdarogam is in the page 28, Swami. Do you know? I don't know, I have to learn. So that is called Pustakasthatya vidya. Meaning, have you written the meaning? Yes, I have taken snap. Do you know? I don't know, Swami, I have to learn. When will you learn? So the shloka says, Pustakasthatya vidya. The knowledge which is in the textbook, kept in the textbook. That's all. Not transformed to transferred to the mind or our brain. Okay, our knowledge is useless. And it will not be useful when time comes. Just when we ask you to read with the meaning, sorry Swami, not written. That's all. Only excuse will come. We have to ask excuse. So don't do that. So let me read once again. You all will note down. Okay. Those who did not do that will do now. Okay? Immediately do. Next. Let me read once again. Balakaha atra samskritam pathati. A boy reads Sanskritam here. Next. Saha Shvaha api patham patishyati. Saha Shvaha api patham patishyati. He will read a lesson tomorrow also. He will read a lesson tomorrow also. Chhatraha tatra dhavanti. Chhatraha plural, students. Okay. Tatra dhavanti. Run there. Chhatraha tatra dhavishyanti. Students will run there. Students will run there. Hiranaha ghasam khadati. Hiranaha here. Ghasam khadati. Eats grass. Hiranaha ghasam khadishyati. Hiranaha here. He eats grass. Then Tvam api bhojanam khadati. Tvam api bhojanam khadati. You also eat food. You also eat food. Swamapi bhojanam khadishyasi. You will also. Okay, you can say you also will eat or you will also eat. Okay? As if I will also type like that. Okay? You will also eat. Right? That's the way of spreading the sentence. You will also eat food. Swami, அடே இது ஒரு 4 குழந்தைகள் படிக்கட்டும்.
Audience one. So next வந்து தேவகி ராகவ் படிக்க முடியும்னா ராகவ் can read, then Srinesh and Vivaswat. கேக்குறதா ஆடியன்?
அடே கேக்குது. அவ மீனிங்கோட படிக்கணும்.
Audience. So TSM kids can read the Devaki first, Raghav, Srinesh and Vivaswat. Please read the sentences with the meaning. Adiyan.
Yes, sir. Namaskaram. Balakaha atra sanskritam pathati. A boy reads Sanskrit here. Swaha Daha shvaha api patham pathishyati. He will read a lesson tomorrow also. Chhatraah tatra dhavanti. Students run there. Chhatraah tatra dhavishyanti. Students will run there. Hiranah ghasam khadati. Deer eats grass. Hiranah ghasam khadishyati. Deer will eat grass. Tvam api bhojanam khadasi. You also eat food. Tvam api bhojanam khadishyasi. You also will eat food. Please unmute me.
1057 TSM. Raghav, can you read?
Aryan Raghav. Aryan. Balakaha atra Sanskritam pathati. A boy reads Sanskrit here. Saha swaha api patham pathishyami. Patishyati. He will read a lesson tomorrow. Chhatraha tatra dhavanti. Students run there. Chhatraha tatra dhavisyanti. Students will run there. Hiranah ghasam khadati. Deer eats grass. Hiranah ghasam khadishyati. Deer will eat grass.
Good.
Tvam api bhojanam khadasi. You will also eat food. You also eat food. Tvam api bhojanam khadishyati. You will also eat food. Then you see.
Aryan Srinivas. Balakah atra Sanskritam patati. A boy reads Sanskrit here. Sah shvaha api patam patishyati. He will read a lesson tomorrow also. Chhatraah tatra dhavanti. Students run there. Chhatraah tatra dhavishyanti. Students will run there. Hiranah ghasam khadati. Deer eats grass. Hiranah ghasam khadishyati. Deer will eat grass. Tvam api bhojanam khadasi. You also eat food. Tvam api bhojanam khadishyasi. You will also eat food. Read the news meaning.
Again. Balakaha atra Sanskritam pathati. A boy reads Sanskritam here. Saha shvaha api patham patishyati. He will read a lesson tomorrow also. Chhatraah tatra dhavanti. Students run there. Chhatraah tatra dhavishyanti. Students will run there. Hiranah ghasam khadati. Deer eats grass. Hiranah ghasam khadishyati. Deer will eat grass. Tvam api bhojanam khadasi. You also eat food. Tvam api bhojanam khadishyasi. You will also eat food. Then you said again.
Dhanyos. போறமா அடியேன் மேல போலாம்
4 பசங்க படிச்சிட்டா அடியேன்
மேல இன்னொரு ஸ்டேட்மென்ட் படிச்சலாம் um now plural. Okay, Let us see. Yuyam chitram rachayatha. Yuyam chitram rachayatha. Reading. Okay, you all will repeat. Yuyam chitram rachayishyatha. Yuyam chitram rachayishyatha. Aham satyam vadami. Aham satyam vadishyami. Aham satyam vadishyami. Vayam asatyam na vadamaha. Vayam asatyam na vadishyamaha. Okay. Rachayatha, rachayishyatha. Vadami, vadishyami. Vadamaha, vadishyamaha. Present tense and future tense. You can see the difference. Okay. Rachayishyatha. Vishya. Okay. Vishya is the difference. Now. Now meaning. Meaning for all the sentences. Hope you all are writing. Yuyam chitram rachayatha. Yuyam. What's the meaning of yuyam? You all. Okay. You all. Rachayatha. Rachayatha means you can say draw, create, okay, generate. There are so many meanings. Rachayatha. Rachayatha means we will not say create a picture. We say that you draw a picture. Okay. Draw a picture. A photo. You draw a picture. Okay. Next sentence. Yuyam chitram rachayishyatha. You all will draw a picture. Okay. You all will draw a picture. Okay. No need to say all. You will draw a picture. You can say you will draw a picture. Aham asatyam vadami. Aham, I. Satyam. Aham satyam vadami. I speak truth. I speak truth. Aham satyam vadishyami. I will speak truth. I will speak truth. Vayam asatyam na vadamaha. We don't speak. Vayam is we. We na vadamaha. Na means don't. Don't vadamaha. Speak asatyam, a lie. We don't speak a lie. Next, vayam asatyam na vadishyamaha. We will not speak a lie. We will not speak a lie or will not say a lie. Speak or say. Will not say a lie. Or we don't lie. We will not lie. Yeah. Okay, let me read. Once again. Yuyam chitram rachayatha. Yuyam chitram rachayatha. You all draw a picture. You all draw a picture. Yuyam chitram rachayishyatha. Yuyam chitram rachayishyatha. You all will draw a picture. Aham satyam vadami. I speak truth. Aham satyam vadishyami. Aham satyam vadishyami. I will speak truth. Vayam asatyam na vadamaha. Vayam asatyam na vadamaha. We don't speak a lie. Okay, or we don't lie. Yeah. Vayam asatyam na vadishyamaha. We will not lie or we will not speak a lie. Yeah. Now we read. Okay, students will read. For me, Adiya.
Audience one. Next Shravan can read. After Shravan, Vinata.
Again. Yoyam chitram rachayatha. You all draw picture. Yoyam chitram rachayishyatha. You all will draw a picture. Aham satyam vadami. I speak truth. Aham satyam vadishyami. I will speak truth. Vayam asatyam na vadamaha. We don't speak a lie. Vayam asatyam na vadishyamaha. We will not speak a lie. Again.
Good.
Again. Yuyam chitram rachayatha. You all draw a picture. Yuyam chitram rachishyatha. You all will draw a picture. Aham satyam vadami. I speak truth. Aham satyam vadishyami. I will speak truth. Vayam asatyam na vadamaha. We don't speak a lie. Vayam asatyam na vadishyamaha. We will not speak a lie. Adiyan Sanyasmi.
Adiyan. Next Varada Vishnu, Sri Varada Vishnu, and after that Sri Hari Srinivasan.
Adiyan. Yuyam chitram rachayatha. You all draw a picture. Yuyam chitram rachishyatha. You all will draw.
It is not
Rachayishyatha. You all will draw a picture. Aham satyam vadami. I speak truth. Aham satyam vadishyami. I will speak truth. Vayam asatyam na vadamaha. We don't speak a lie. Vayam asatyam na vadishyamaha. We will not speak a lie.
Very good.
Dhanyasmiri.
Adiyan கேக்குதா adiyan?
நல்லா கேக்குது.
Yuyam chitram rachayata. You all draw a picture. Yuyam chitram rachayishyata. You all will draw a picture. Aham satyam vadami. I speak truth. Aham satyam vadishyami. I will speak truth. Vayam asatyam na vadamaha. We don't speak a lie. Vayam asatyam na vadishyamaha. We will not speak a lie. Adiyan Dhanyasmi.
சுவாமி 4 பேர் படிச்சாச்சா?
Adiyan Swami, 4 பேர் படிச்சாச்சு.
அடுத்தது சொல்லமா?
Adiyan.
वार्तालापः. Now वार्तालापः. Very good. So you have come to the stage of conversing in Sanskrit with simple sentences. Don't go anywhere. Not long sentences. Not long sentences. Small. We can start with small. Okay. Remember, you are in the first stage of learning Sanskrit. Balakaha, balika. One boy and girl converse. Tvam kim khadasi. You will repeat. First it is reading. Okay? Tvam kim khadasi. Aham phalam khadami. Shvaha api khadishyami. Kim tvam phalam na khadishyasi. Aham api phalani khadishyami. Next page. Balika. Tvam kani phalani khadishyasi. Kani phalani. Aham kadali phalani. Amra phalani. Dadima phalani. Cha khadishyami. Let us read one second. Let us read 1 second, because it is in 2 pages, so I am also disturbed. Vartalapaha 1. So we have 2 or 3 here. We have one more also. Tvam kim khadasi. Repeat. You have to repeat. Aham phalam khadami. Shvaha api khadishyami. Kim tvam phalam na khadishyasi? Aham api phalani khadishyami. Tvam kani phalani khadishyasi? Aham kadali phalani आम्र फलानि दाडिम फलानि च खादिष्यामि. Okay, let me explain the meaning. Note down. Tvam kim khadasi. See, if kim goes here, in case kim goes here, the meaning is different. Okay, if kim goes here, the meaning will be different. Now kim is in the middle, the meaning is different. Okay, Tvam kim khadasi. What do you eat? What do you eat? In case kim is in the front, kim tvam khadasi, the meaning is, do you eat? Now the question is, what do we eat? Then aham phalam khadami. Answer is aham phalam khadami. I eat a fruit. I eat a fruit. Shvaha api khadishyami. Shvaha. Already we have seen this word. Okay. I is understood here. Okay. I will eat tomorrow also. I will eat tomorrow also. Okay. I will eat. Where is I? Where is I? I is understood here. Ami. Ami says I. Okay, it represents I. So I will eat tomorrow also. Okay. Now, kim tvam. See, kim in the beginning. Kim tvam phalam na khadishyasi. Will you not eat fruits? See, why will? Will is there. Will you not eat a fruit? Will not eat a fruit? Don't you eat a fruit? That's the meaning. Don't you eat a fruit? Aham api phalani khadishyami. Reply, yes, I will eat. Yes. I will also eat fruits. See the difference. Huh? Here, phalam. Here, phalani. So when phalam is there, fruit, singular. Okay? Fruit, singular is used here. When phalani is there, I have used fruits. Okay? Right? Okay? Mute please. Mute. Next. Tvam kani phalani khadishyasi. What is kani? Okay, what is kani? See, you know kim. Okay, sorry. You know kim. Kim is singular. Okay, kim, ke, kani. Kim means what? All three are what only. Kim is singular. Phalam, phale, phalani we say no. Same. Kim, ke, kani. Kim means what? Ke also what? Kani means what? But the difference is kim means singular. Ke means dvivachanam. Kani bahuvachanam. So they are asking phalani because fruits. Here bahuvachanam. Okay. Here bahuvachanam. Phalani fruits. So kani also bahuvachanam. In both the places bahuvachanam is used. Okay. Now Let me tell the meaning. Tvam, you, kani phalani, what fruits? Kani phalani, what fruits? Here the meaning is what? No other meaning. What? What? So, tvam kani phalani khadishyati. What fruits? Or what kind of fruits? Okay. What kind is not there? What kind of fruits? Will you eat? Okay. Will you eat? What kind of fruits will you eat? Okay. What kind of? Kind of is understood. There's no Sanskrit word here. What fruits will you eat? Kani phalani, tvam, you. Okay? You. Kani phalani, what fruits? Khadishyati, will eat. Next one. Aham, I. Khadishyami, will eat. I will eat. What will I eat? Kadali phalani. Kadali phalani means banana. Okay? Banana. Fruits. If you want to write fruits, you can write, right? I eat bananas. Amra phalani, mangoes. Okay? Mango fruits. Okay? Dadima phalani, pomegranates. Okay? Pomegranates. Pomegranates. And pomegranates. And. Cha is there, no? And pomegranates. I will eat banana fruits, mango fruits, and pomegranate fruits. Right? Because this is correct translation. I will eat bananas, you can say bananas or banana fruits, mangoes or mango fruits, and pomegranate fruits or pomegranates. Okay? So let me read once again with the meaning, you all will read. Okay? One by one, Swami will tell. Balakaha, a boy is telling. Tvam kim khadasi, what do you eat? Aham phalam khadami, I eat a fruit. Shvaha api khadishyami, I will eat tomorrow also. Not only today, tomorrow also I will eat. Kim tvam phalam na khadishyati, will you not eat a fruit? Don't you eat a fruit? Is this person term? Don't you eat a fruit? Balakaha, yes. I will also eat a fruit. Eat fruits. I will also eat fruits. And he says, Tvam kani phalani khadishyati. What fruit will you eat? Aham kadali phalani, amra phalani, dadima phalani cha khadishyami. I will eat bananas, mangoes and pomegranates. Okay? Swami, adiye. Time irukka? Adirna pasanga padikira. Illa naalai padikira.
அடியன் டைம் ஆயிடுச்சு அடியன், இன்னும் ஒரு நிமிஷம் தான் இருக்கு. நாளைக்கு வேணா இதுல இருந்து ஆரம்பிச்சு படிக்கட்டும் அடியன்.
நாளை படிக்கட்டும்
அடியன். ஸோ டுமாரோ நாளைக்கு 1040 இருந்து ஆரம்பிச்சு ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் வில் ரீட் வார்த்தாலபஹா. ஸோ எல்லாரும் இதை இனி ரிவைஸ் பண்ணிட்டு படிச்சுடுவாங்க.
நோட் பண்ணிக்கணும். நாளைக்கு இது இருக்காது, டெக்ஸ்ட் இருக்காது
அடியன். So please come prepared this one, and if you are really eager, Vartalapaha 2 அடுத்ததையும் படிச்சுடுவாங்க. So you will find it easy to read.
Correct.
Now please come prepared for the class tomorrow. Adiyan. Adiyan முடிச்சுக்கலாம் adiyan.
Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayaah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kashyat dukhabhag bhavet, sarvastaratu durgani, sarvo bhadrani pashyantu. सर्वकामानवाप्नोतु, सर्वत्र नन्दतु. ओम शांति शांति शांति.